Hey Grove Park Gators, Mrs. Allen here. I'm going to be doing a demo for you of how you can play musical instrument for corners. So I've compiled a couple pictures to show you how the game can work. And I'm also utilizing some chairs to use as my corners since I don't really have 4 solid corners available in my house. You can also do the same if you don't have, an actual square shaped room, or if you want to play this outside, you could. And as a true Floridian, maybe you will. All right, so let me show you what I have put together to make this game happen. Once you get into Nearpod, all you have to do is start scrolling through the different pictures of the instruments and decide which family each instrument belongs to. I'm just showing you a couple different ones that are in the very beginning of the slideshow in Nearpod. So have fun! So I'll demonstrate for you how to do this picture. It's a drum. So I wonder what family it would be a part of. Maybe it's a percussion instrument? Is that right? What about this one? I'm gonna go with the woodwind family because it's made of wood, right? Am I right? Have fun playing!